The dishwasher's not working again. Can you take a look at it, please?
Okay, I'll take a look at it. Error code 7C? What do we do now? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If your Samsung dishwasher is getting error code 7C and it's making a really weird sound, I'm going to show you all the top tips and tricks and all the stuff that might be able to fix your dishwasher. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome stuff just like this one. So anyway, let's get to it. So real quick, here's the error code. And here is the sound that I'm hearing. One of the biggest ways that this starts, you've actually put a pot in a pan and somehow like the arm has gotten stuck down inside the dishwasher and it's actually causing the water wall motor to like get off the grid or the chain. So whenever it's not synced up properly, that can cause it. There's also a sensor that can cause it, and hopefully I can show you guys that in here, but let's try to fix this dishwasher. So anyway, as you already saw before, you heard the sound that it's making. So whenever you start the dishwasher, it's got that, it almost sounds like something's grinding or like it's trying to catch, but it's not. So what I think's happened is I think that the pot has like stuck up against the water wall motor and it's just not caught. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the dishwasher and we're going to kind of pull on that and push it back and forth and see if we can get that to work. So let's try that now. So here's the problem with this one. So I did a video on this before. That's what's wrong. So it's actually reached the back. So there's a magnet in here that lets you know where it is. So what we're going to do is we're actually just going to push this very slowly all the way to the rear of the dishwasher. Slowly. I did a video on this before, but I've never gotten an error code. Actually, we're going to pull this out a little bit, not too fast. We're going to put that back on. We're going to go all the way to the rear. Let's try that again. Alright guys, so you can see that it's fixed. It's now got a 0T. So I noticed two things. So I ran this the first time, got the 7C error. Ran it the second, after the first time. Here's what I noticed. So the arm, it was pulled off, and the actual mechanism that moves it, that it attaches to, was pushed all the way to the front of the dishwasher. So what that tells me is that the sensor, there's a magnet that's in here, and there's a sensor that's underneath it. And what happens is when the control board like moves the arm back and forth, it's like almost like a positioning sensor. So it needs to know where that's at in the cycle. So when the pot and pan got stuck inside the dishwasher, it broke free. It broke this free, so then it was just basically able to move all the way to the front and all the way to the back. And then, for whatever reason, this came loose on the actual cycle. It didn't know the position of this. So what I did to reset it was I pulled this all the way back, and hopefully you can see this, okay? But, well, didn't do it that time. But whenever I ran it the second time, whenever I put everything back together, so I was putting this back on, okay, and you just do it like that. I've got another video on it like that. I was pushing it all the way forward, and I noticed that it gave, like it was like, I was barely moving it. You know, I say to move it back and forth really slowly, so that, you know, because there's a motor in there that turns all that chain assembly. So I was moving it slowly, well, it just gave. Like, I was barely moving it, it just like slipped. I wish I'd recorded it, but anyway, so I moved it back out about to here, like just like this. Nice and slow, just like that. Okay, hopefully you can see that. And then I moved it all the way back, very slow. and don't put any pressure on it because it might go further. And then I shut it to test it again. So this whole issue can be caused from a number of things. Okay, so primarily the vane can be out of alignment or out of order. The motor itself can be out of order, and you could have something actually blocking the water wall, which is what happened to me. So there was a pot and pan that was stuck down in here, and it caused the vane to, I guess, not move. And then whenever it finished the cycle, this broke free and caused the vane to go all the way to the front position of the dishwasher. So whenever I put it all back in place, I just snapped that back on, and then it was still out of order. So that's what I'm saying is that whenever it was in the very back of the dishwasher, when I moved it forward, almost like to reset it and then put it back in its like zeroed out position where it's supposed to be when you start the dishwasher, it was like everything just like synced back up, and it was good again. So anyway, try that. Try to like just reset the position of your vane and make sure that your arm is connected properly, and that you pull, see that went really fast, just like that. So anyway, make sure you pull this out and then reset it back. Once you put this back on, reset it back to the position at like 0. So all the way as far back as it can with the arm on, pushing slowly, nice back. Right there. Okay, try that again. So listen guys, I hope this video helps you out. Honestly, if it's something as simple as that, it's going to cost you absolutely $0 to fix this issue. So again, just to break it all down for you really quick, just check the position of your vane and the motor. So do as I do in the video, move your vane back and forth, put your arm on top, and just reset that position back to where it should be, towards the rear. Turn your dishwasher off, and then turn it, well, you should have it off already, but then turn it back on, almost like to reset that position of the lower spray arm. So anyway guys, I hope this video has helped you. If it has, leave me a like, leave me a comment down below. If your dishwasher's still not working whenever this is all said and done, leave me a comment down below. Maybe we can work on it together. Not, physically, unless you live really close, but maybe we can figure it out and see if we can get you going again. But anyway, if these still didn't help you, there is a chance that my dog is just going nuts over there. Anyway, there is still a chance that your actual motor, let's hope not, the motor in your dishwasher has gone bad, and then it's just not going to work until you get it replaced. So anyway guys, if this video has helped you, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment down in the comment section below. And as always, I do my best to try to help you guys out, so I really hope that it's helped you. So anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Peace.